My name is Geeta Sethi. I work at the World Bank and I lead on food systems transformation. There are three things that I would like the audience to go back with. First, there cannot be a food and nutrition security without a food systems transformation. Second, we need to change the way food is being financed. And third, we can still make it to our Paris commitment as long as food systems transition is part of the equation. The biggest challenge is really the political economy, because the big change has to be the way public finance is working, which means that it needs to be repurposed. So we're not saying take money away, but give money to farmers, but align it to the incentives that are needed to make this transformation happen. The political economy needs a lot of working through, number one. Number two, the sector is still seen as a high-risk sector. And so to be able to manage the risk profile of the sector and provide that comfort to the private sector to come in with financing, solutions, and really be part of the whole value addition, value efficiency, value enhancement are the two big areas we need to focus on. Cold chains, coal infrastructure. First is data. We need to know where the losses are happening and which part of the value chain to be able to then intervene at that level. Second is coal infrastructure. In other words, not just a cold storage, but also the ability to pick up produce from the farmers, keep it safe in refrigerated setups, carry it to the market or wholesale in refrigerated trucks, so that entire chain infrastructure is needed. I see this as a big area for knowledge sharing, for lessons learned in terms of what's working, what can be scaled up for advocacy, but also a space to say, what are our struggles? What are we struggling with? What does the private sector need that it is not getting today, to be able to really bring that speed and acceleration of action?